Restore Skills is basically an online platform where we can customize a patient's exercise program with like individualized treatments and kind of create a game system for them.
Our motto is 5-star customer service and innovative care. Restore is innovative. They're bringing technology today to our facilities that will last for years to come.
I think one of the coolest things is how easy it is to set up. There's not a lot of stuff you have to lug around, so the setup is really convenient. It makes for easy treatment sessions.
What I enjoy most about Restore Skills is it helps me improve my limb function, my bone function in my shoulders and legs.
Restore differs from other rehab approaches because it's fun and it's a game experience.
There's not a day that goes by that Restore is not the premier entertainment of the therapy department. It's being used by almost all the residents. We can't keep them entertained enough. It's unbelievable. It's great. We love it, love it, love it.